Pelmeni is an Eastern European dish typically made around the holidays because a lot of people are usually involved in the process of making pelmeni. It's sort of a cross between a dumpling and a ravioli in that the filling usually consists of a combination of meats such as pork, beef, lamb, or veal, sometimes cabbage or potatoes, and in the case of this video we also made it with mushrooms. However, the dough is more of a pasta dough in that it consists of flour, eggs, water, and salt. Here you can see my grandfather rolling out the pelmeni dough. He's very generous with his use of flour because it is very important that the dough doesn't stick to his work surface. Otherwise, the dough has a tendency to fall apart when cooked. So once my grandfather reaches the thickness that he wants, which is about that thin, he begins to cut the dough into 3-centimeter rounds. And per batch of pelmeni, we usually get about 200 to 300 rounds of dough, which obviously equals 200 to 300 pelmeni. After my grandfather finishes the dough rounds, we can begin the shaping process. Start with a well-floured dough round, add about a teaspoon or a half teaspoon of filling. In this case it is our meat filling. Then with the filling centered, you want to start stretching out all sides of the dough. This is to create space for the filling and to make sure there are no air pockets in the pelmeni. Then you want to start to seal the pelmeni by pinching both sides of the dough together so the dough completely sticks. Then take both ends or corners and fold them together so they stick and the dough makes a sort of ear, as we like to call it. One down, 200 more to go. Here are the fillings we used. This is the first filling, which is a combination of 50% beef and 50% pork, also mixed with some grated onion and seasoned with salt and pepper. And here are the mushroom pelmeni. The filling is composed of finely chopped mushrooms sauteed with a little bit of onion. And that's it. All you have left to do is throw your pelmeni into some boiling water. Optional is to add a few aromatics. As you can see here, I added a few bay leaves, peppercorns, and obviously the water has to be salted. And then you want to cook them until the water is boiling and the majority of them are starting to float to the top. Then simply take them out and toss them in a bowl with some butter and serve. We like to serve them with a Ukrainian salsa and sour cream. Let me know in the comments if any of you guys have some big family food traditions that you'd like to do over the holidays. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.